Hey everybody, it's Chad from Colorado Giant. It is May 1st. The weather is beautiful outside. The sun is setting behind me, and it has been a little while since I've given you much detailed information on the greenhouse build. I'm up on a ladder right now, doing some stuff to the greenhouse. So let's go ahead and continue the series, and we're gonna do step number 8. As well, I probably do like step number 9 right now. So step number 8. Let's do it. So step number 7 was the purling. So these are the truss supports right here that are going, this away, and then the purlings are all the ones that go a long ways on that. So I did all of those, and then step number 8 would probably have to be installing the wind bracing as well as the toe boards. So the wind bracing are 2 sets of steel poles that run diagonal from the front. Well, we're at the back now, but from the back to the front, and then from the front to the back on each corner of the greenhouse. And this gives it strength for when the wind is blowing this direction and pushing on the greenhouse. It's going to add rigidity so that it's not, just going wobbly woo this way. And then the second part to step number 8 is the footer. So the footer, Joelle helped me with this significantly, is you put 2 clamps on the outside, or on the inside rather, you screw that to your ground post, and then ultimately they just get bolted in and they run the entire length of the greenhouse. And the purpose of this is to add a little bit of strength, but the main reason for it is this is the channel lock. So the channel lock mounts to this, and this is what the plastic is going to go into. So that's probably the most critical piece of the greenhouse, obviously, is the plastic. So this is the channel, and that is what that is mounted to here. So you can see the channel is all the way around the greenhouse. That will be its own step, probably one of the last steps, in fact, maybe step 9 or 10, and that's putting on the plastic, which I'm preparing for right now. So that is really, let me get that sun out of the camera, is really about that for step 8. Like I said, I apologize, it's not that in depth, but it doesn't need to be. You don't need a half an hour long video telling me, or me telling you to bolt more things that I've already bolted, that I've already showed you how I did that, and how to put some clamps on your ground posts and screw the baseboard to that. You don't need much detail, but that's what that step is. That's what that is the reason why they are there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shoot step number 9, but there'll be 2 separate videos. So make sure you like the video, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you very shortly because I'm going to do the other video right now.